Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kidney beans, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with kidney beans, so if you're looking for some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we've got bacon, beans in general, especially green beans, garbanzo beans, yellow wax beans as well. Beef, black-eyed peas, peanuts, peas, pumpkin seeds, sausage, tofu, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, there's bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, celery, chilies, chives, fennel, greens of all types, onions, parsnips, potatoes, scallions, spinach, tomatoes, yellow squash, and zucchini. In the fruits category, we have avocados, lemons, limes, and oranges. In the grains and grain products category, there is barley, corn, cornbread, kamut, pasta, quinoa, rice, and wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's cheese, especially cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese, and sour cream. In the other foods category, there's chili pepper sauce, oil, especially olive and sunflower oils, soy sauce, stock, vinegar, especially red wine vinegar, sherry, and white wine vinegar. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.